framework, real-time tool, except core Java, remaining all topics of Java I will take. Right. Yeah. Then boss. Yeah. Our advanced Java course. Advanced Java course. Yeah. Before advanced Java, what you are? Before advanced Java course, you are a website user. After advanced Java, you are a website developer. Are you understanding my statement? You are website user or visitor was. You know how to visit the website. But after advanced Java course, you will be in a position to develop your own website. You will be in a position to develop your own website, guys. Clear was? The topics of advanced Java was. Number 1, JDBC plus miscellaneous topics. JDBC plus miscellaneous. Number 2, SERVLET plus miscellaneous. Number 3, JSP plus. Okay. Am I audible, guys? Am I visible? Check your network bandwidth. If I'm not visible and audible, please rejoin. Make sure that you have a stable network. Yeah, JSP plus miscellaneous topics, boss. Number 4, mini projects. Number 4, mini projects, boss. All right. Number 5, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. To attend JDBC, guys, to attend JDBC, prerequisite is core Java, oops, guys. Core Java, oops. To attend servlets, prerequisite is core Java, oops. To attend JSP, prerequisite is servlet. To attend mini projects, prerequisites are JDBC, Servlet, JSP, and etc. Okay. To attend HTML, JavaScript, guys, no prerequisites. No prerequisites. Got it, guys? Okay. No prerequisites. Now listen. This course also gives 10 plus Java real-time tools. Java real-time tools. Okay. Am I audible, guys? Yeah, tools like Log4j, SLF4j, Neven, Gradle, Git, JUnit, Makito, yes, Makito, debugging, Agile, Jira, and etc. Yeah, we'll be with this course. Okay, this course also gives 10 plus Java real-time tools. Next, 10 plus common topics. 10 plus common topics. Yeah, what are the common topics, my dear? Okay. What are the common topics, guys? Interview preparation and resume preparation and interview tips. Yeah, if you have any personal queries, I will take at the end. Please focus what I am presenting. Please focus on what I am presenting. Interview tips. Yeah. Interview tips. Yeah, since some people are attending core Java morning 7 to 9 and faculty ending the session exactly by 9 o'clock. Okay. Every day our session starts at 9:10. Your session starts at 9:10 and it will continue up to 10:20, 10:30. If needed, it may touch 10:40 also. If needed, it may touch 10:40 also. Got it? Okay. How to show gap as experience? How to show gap as experience? Okay. How to build career in software industry? Knowing about IT industry. Knowing about, okay. Knowing about IT industry. Understanding my statement? I'll take all your personal queries at the end of the session. Okay. Last 10-15 minutes, if needed, half an hour, I'll clarify each and every student doubt, all your personal queries, all your personal career related queries. Then I will wind up the meeting. So please focus what I am presenting now, rather diverting mind here and there. Use a chat box only to ask current topic related queries. Anything irrelevant, anything okay, personal, I will take at the end. Knowing about IT industry. Okay. Initial days in the software industry. How to behave in the initial days of software industry. Like this, so many topics will be there. So many topics will be there. All these are free along with this course. Some of these things will be conducted directly. Some of these topics will be given as the videos, recorded videos. Are you understanding my statement? Initial days. Initial days in the software industry. Now listen, whatever batch that is happening, boss, in that batch, JDBC is already completed. But sir, you still invited a new student by saying this is a new advanced Java batch. Yeah, new advanced Java batch started, guys. That will start with the servlet. Followed by servlet, they will learn JSP, mini project. Okay, parallelly, they will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For those people, JDBC also should be learned parallelly in some other slot. in some other slot, either by me or some other faculty, whenever JDBC batch is started, JDBC topic is started, with the same fee you paid for the same registration you have done for this course, you can attend JDBC classes parallel. Clear, boss? Okay. The people who already completed JDBC, for them, next SERVLET, JSP, mini project, and parallelly you will be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The people who joined today by saying it's a new advanced Java course, they will also learn same thing. But in some other parallel slot, they need to attend JDBC classes. Mostly my JDBC classes will be there in 4 p.m. slot in next 10-15 days. Or some other slot in next 10-15 days. Sir, I'm very busy in those slots where you are conducting JDBC topics in future. No problem, you can choose other faculty to attend JDBC classes. You can happily choose other faculty to attend JDBC classes. No, sir, I want your sessions only. Though you attend other faculty JDBC classes, whenever I start the JDBC, you can come and attend the classes. My classes also. You can come and attend my classes also. Generally, JDBC takes 30 to 35 sessions. 30 to 35 sessions. Okay, boss. Duration of the course, boss. Yeah, I don't know what others say. I need 100 plus sessions. Okay, 100 plus sessions. So mostly my JDBC topic slots will be 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. If you are comfortable with okay, fine. If not that, you can attend from other faculty. Whenever you are comfortable, you can again attend my classes. Duration 100 plus sessions. Don't count days, count sessions. Okay. Next one, course fee. 3,500. 3,500. Okay. Full stack Java students can attend this course, either with extra, either with permission from office. You want my content, either with permission from office or extra payment. That is your choice. Understanding my statement? Yeah. But you cannot directly sit because it's exclusive and real-time scenarios, use cases based, in detailed project-oriented advanced Java course. We learn everything in project orientation. After attending this course, guys, you can show 4 to 5 years gap as experience. That much knowledge we are going to learn. Okay. That much knowledge I'm going to give in this course. Right now, boss? Okay. After this course, okay, you can try as a Java fresher. You can show gap as the experience. 3 to 4 years gap as the experience, guys. This much subject we are going to learn. Okay. Yeah. This advanced Java course is designed as real-time use cases based. Real-time use cases based, in depth, in detailed project-oriented course, guys. Are you understanding? Project-oriented course. Yeah, listen, guys. HTML, JavaScript, CSS part of this course. You should learn database separately. Are you getting my point, boss? Yes, boss. Okay. Now listen carefully. Get to job in Java domain. Job in Java domain. Okay. As a fresher, what you should learn. As a fresher, what you should learn. Core Java required, advanced Java required, Oracle knowledge is required. There is a course called CRT, Campus Recruitment Training, Soft Skills Training, Rama. What is this? Soft Skills Training. Soft Skills Training. This is required. Definitely this is required. Soft Skills Training is required, boss. Okay. And Spring or Spring Boot. This is added advantage. Not mandatory, this is added advantage. So definitely it is added. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, CRT, Soft Skills Training, Spring or Spring Boot, guys. Spring or Spring Boot. As a fresher, you should have this knowledge. Okay. When I say CRT, Campus Recruitment Training, boss, group discussion, English, verbal, reasoning, everything will be covered. Everything will be covered. As 1+ experience. Sir, what do you mean by this 1+ experience? After engineering, you enjoyed for 1 year. You have become 1 year experienced person. You can show that gap as experience. You enjoyed for 2 years. You can show 2 years gap as experience. Is it possible, sir? Possible. So then how to gather those documents? There are consultants, there are organizations who do business in that sector. So they ask a lot of documents now. When you have a clarity that I should show gap as experience, what you have to do, before 6 months only, you have to approach that consultant or organization who show these documents, who give these documents, who manage this gap as experience. So they will run one profile on your name. Okay, they will prepare, they will keep everything officially ready. Salary slips, account statements, everything official and legally ready. So using those documents, happily you can show gap as experience. Happily you can show gap as experience. Sir, I want to try as a fresher. If failure comes, then I want to go for experience. That is also my thumb rule, Babu. First try as a fresher. If it is not working out, then think about showing gap as experience. Sir, why it will not work out as a fresher? Number one reason. Okay. You have taken more time to complete your graduation. Engineering is 4 years. For better foundation, you studied for 6 years. Then they don't consider your profile as a fresher. Problem number one. Problem number two, too much gaps in academic studies. After +2, 2 years gap before engineering. After engineering, 3 years gap before post-graduation degree. Too much gaps are there in your academics. Sorry. Fresher, as a fresher, you won't get much weightage. Other freshers will get much priority. Next, less percentages. Criteria problems. Less than 60%, less than 75%. Criteria issues will be there, na? Those. Next, non-IT background problem. Generally in IT companies, bit extra priority will be there for IT background engineers compared to non-IT background engineers. I'm not saying non-IT background students are not getting job, they are getting job, but extra priority will be there. So you don't want all these headaches. They should check your Java knowledge, they should give job to you. Then only option that is left is, okay, showing gap as experience. And one more big reason, guys, when you are trying with experience, boss, there is no need of preparing for CRT, campus recruitment training. No need of having soft skills knowledge. No need of having soft skills knowledge. Is that clear, guys? Okay, some stupid questions will be there, na? Train started. train started at the speed of 80 kilometers. Okay. It has to travel 400 kilometers when it will reach the destination station. This kind of logical questions will be there, analyzation questions will be there. You need not to worry about those things. You need not to participate in group discussion. You need not to check your English knowledge, or nothing is required. So in that situation also you have to think about experience. One more reason, boss. When you try as a fresher, they never treat you as a Java software engineer. They will treat you as an engineer. They will treat you as an engineer. If they give job in Java, you have to do Java, work in Java domain. If they give job in what? Python, you have to do job in Python domain. If they give job in C++, you have to work in C++ domain. Because you are just a fresher, not any subject expert. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. But when you start showing experience in certain domain of Java, so definitely you can demand from Java job only. Definitely you can demand for Java job only. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on, are you with me? Okay. As 1+ experience, boss. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle. Okay. Spring Spring. As a 2+ experience. Experience topics plus Hibernate. What is required, guys? Hibernate required. Design patterns. Hibernate plus design pattern knowledge is required. 3+ boss. 1+ topics plus. Okay. 2+ topics plus microservices. 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 Yeah, definitely need to have microservices knowledge. Right. 4+ and 5+ boss. 4+ and 5+ experience. 4+ and 5+ experience. Four plus and 5+ experience. Tell me. 3+ experience topics plus UI technologies knowledge is required. UI technologies knowledge like Angular or React.js. Angular or React.js. Got it, my dear? If you want to settle down in Java domain, this is the story. Clear? 10+ Java real-time tools plus knowledge on common topics. Common topics is required for every Java job seeker. I hope you understood. This is the note. Yeah. Now listen carefully, boss. More years experience you are showing, now more knowledge you have to gain. More topics you should show in the resume. More topics you should show in the resume. Now listen carefully. If you are a fresher, trying in a Java domain, you can expect 3.5 lakhs to 6 lakh package. I'm talking about normal engineering colleges, MNCs. Normal engineering college joining in MNCs. Big brother companies are there, na Wipro, Infosys, TCS, this kind of things. Okay, guys. I'm not talking about IIT, Triple IT, REC colleges profiles. I'm talking about normal engineering college student joining in MNCs. So, 1+ guys. 1+. Actually, 1+ class will be less because no software guy will change the company for every year. Every year they won't change company. He takes minimum 2 years to move to another company. To settle down, 6 months required training and other thing. Other 6 months he gain project knowledge. So to reproduce his to reuse his knowledge, to reproduce his skills, another 1 year he'll spend in the company. Once he become more perfect in the subject, project development, then he will think about moving to other company. So generally 1+ openings will be less and profiles will be also very less. Okay. So you can expect 4 to 8 lakhs. Much difference is not there. You know, there are some companies up to 2 years they will treat you as a fresher. Up to 2 years they will treat you as a fresher. If they have 1 year experience, 2 years experience, they don't, hey, you are a fresher for me. Okay. Tell me 2 years, guys. Okay. 6 lakhs to 11 lakhs. Upper side and lower side I am talking. 3 years. 7 lakhs to 14 lakhs. And 4 and 5 years, guys, you may get 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. All these details are for those who are not able to see my screen. Please rejoin. All these are the details for Java job seeker. Not for the full stack Java job seeker. Full stack Java job seeker. I hope you are understanding. Full stack Java is different. Java is different. Okay. Right, boss. Full stack Java developer means what, guys? Full stack Java developer. Okay, listen, guys. Fresher full stack Java developer is a big wrong word. Fresher cannot be full stack Java developer. No, sir, so many institutes in Ameripet are offering. Let them offer, let them do business. But fresher full stack Java developer is practically impossible. Practically impossible. Why, you know? You, as a fresher, you should be expert in 6 areas, 6 domains, including Java, 6 domains. Then you will be called as what, guys? Then you will be called as full stack Java developer. Array, people struggles a lot to become expert in these 4 areas, right? And if that too, all of them are belongs to Java, except CRT, remaining all of them belongs to Java. Okay, now think about these topics plus other 5 area topics you need to become expert. Is it practically possible, guys? You know, full stack Java core syllabus is like 4 years engineering syllabus. 4 years engineering syllabus. Understanding my statement? Any full stack as a fresher is a big scolding, boss. Big wrong statement. Full stack UI developer, full stack Python developer, full stack Java developer. Okay, they may keep the name, boss, but practical problems are very much there. Practical problems are very much there. He needs to become subject expert. Okay, expert in 6 domains. Including Java. Okay. Number 1, Java domain, Rama. Number 1, Java domain. In Java domain, what you should learn? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot. Spring or Spring Boot. If you learn both, fine and good. Okay. Number 2, minimum things I am giving, boss. Minimum things I am giving. Database domain. Database domain. Yeah. What is database domain? You should learn Oracle, both SQL and PL/SQL. Next, you should become expert in testing domain. What domain, guys? Testing domain. You should learn manual testing, Selenium, automation. For automation testing, you should learn Selenium. And to learn Selenium, again, Core Java is required. Automation testing, guys. Testing domain. Yeah, you should become expert in. You should also become expert in UI technologies. UI domain, user interface technologies domain. UI technologies domain. UI technologies domain. That means you should learn HTML, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, come on. Bootstrap, Angular, or React.js. React.js. UI technologies domain, boss. Number 5. Okay. DevOps domain. Developer operations, boss. DevOps domain. A lot of tools are there to learn, boss. Okay, developer tools. What are the tools required to learn for developer? They are, boss. Developer tools, boss. Yeah, what kind of? Maven, Gradle, Docker, Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins, Git, and etc. Multiple tools are there to learn, guys. Next, cloud domain. Cloud computing domain. Yeah, cloud computing. Cloud is nothing but taking software and hardware infrastructure from the internet on rental basis, using them for your project development and returning them back. That is cloud infrastructure. Before arrival of cloud, guys, if you want to develop a serious project, your company used to arrange all software and hardware setup. Your company used to provide entire hardware and software setup by investing crores of rupees. Now they stopped doing it. Big companies that are there in the internet, they are providing this hardware and software setup. So we contact them, we choose our choice hardware setup, we choose our choice software setup. From our laptop, we connect to those cloud environment where hardware and software setups are available. Okay, we use them for developing our project, for testing our project, and we pay the rent for that. So life has become simplified now, boss. Life has become simplified now. Suppose you have a business thought. but you cannot afford monthly burdens of having office, paying rent, all this stuff. Okay, someone say that we have a big office space. We have a big office space. 1-2 rooms I will provide, having some office setup. You pay me rent. You pay me rent. So that will be easy for you or not? Come on, guys. Can you respond? I want reply from you people. Are you there? Can you respond in the chat box? Yeah. Taking hardware and software setup. Okay. On rental basis for our project development and testing, guys. Here, so many are there. AWS are Google, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, boss. Azure, and etc. Okay, right now AWS is doing well. There is no need of learning everything. Only AWS is sufficient. After that, Azure is also doing. Listen, listen, my dear. If you want to become full stack Java developer, you should become expert in these areas. As a fresher, is it really practically possible, guys? Because it takes a lot of time to become expert in Java domain itself. But you have to focus on remaining so many domains, right, boss? So that's why what my suggestion. Okay, try as a Java developer, join in the company. Okay, keep the target of 2 to 3 years. Keep the target of 2 to 3 years and try to become full stack developer. One or other day, everyone should become Java full stack developer. But don't aim today itself. Don't aim today itself as a fresher, as a 1+ candidate. Okay, join as a... Okay. Right, boss. Java has got 30 years life, Babu, and it will survive another 30 years easily. It will survive another 30 years easily. Python is not competitor or alternate to Java. Are you understanding my statement? Python is not alternate or competitor to Java. Since the discussion has come, let me say one thing. We use Java in standalone application, websites, mobile applications, distributed application, GPay, PhonePe kind of applications. And also in system side programming. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Python, also in data science, and little bit in IoT. So Java working domains are what? Standalone application, websites, distributed application, mobile applications, Android. Mobile application, IoT little bit, data science fully. Python working areas, data science and IoT, not in other places. Understanding my statement? Artificial intelligence, all these things are part of data science. Everyone getting my point there, guys? So that's why Python is not a competitor for Java in all places. Python and Java will be used together in data science, and it is doing little well in IoT. It is doing really well in IoT. Only in IoT section we are lagging behind. IoT means Internet of Things. And you will say, Alexa, open this, Alexa, close this. Their Java is not doing that much well. Python is doing well. In remaining all places, Java is the master. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Come on. Super. I'll come to that. A few minutes, I'll come to that. So first of all, full stack Java developer, you got the idea? Who is full stack Java developer, guys? Okay. Conclusion. As a fresher, or 1+ years experience. First try as Java developer. Get into the industry. Get into the industry. And keep the target of 2 or 3 years to become Java full stack developer. Apply this formula for other full stack programs. Apply this formula for other full stack programs. UI full stack, Python full stack, same thing. First try to become Python developer, then try to become Python full stack developer. First try to become UI developer, then try to become UI full stack developer. Got it, my dear? Convinced with me? Yeah, this is the conclusion, boss. Convinced, guys? Yeah. Okay. Full stack developer can demand 30 to 50% extra salary compared to full stack Java developer. I am talking. Extra salary compared to Java developer. Got it? In a simple words, I can say Java developer is like Virat Kohli, batsman, strong batsman. Full stack developer is like Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, all-rounder. So, Washington Sundar, all-rounder. Hardik Pandya, perfect all-rounder, right? Okay. So first try to become batsman, then try to become all-rounder. Either by doing captaincy or bowling. Got it, boss? Java working domains was. Java working domains are platforms. Java working domains are platforms. Okay. Now listen. Standalone application development. In standalone application development. In web application development. In standalone application development, in web application development. Standalone, your core Java applications are called standalone applications. The application that is specific to one computer. Application specific to one computer. Standalone. Okay. Application development, website development. Next, mobile applications, Android applications. Next, distributed applications. Applications whose services can be accessed from remote places like GPay services, PhonePe services, Okay. Phone pay services. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. Distributed applications, guys. Standalone application development, web application development, mobile application, distributed applications. Come on. Distributed applications. And your core Java, every class with main method is calculator. Calculator application is a standalone application, now boss. And every day what you are developing in core Java is standalone application. Class with main method. Calculator is specific to each computer, right? Website, mobile application, distributed applications, right? Tell me next one. Okay. Yeah. Data science domain. Data science applications. Data science application. Storing, processing, and analyzing the big data. Okay, big data. Are you understanding my statement? In our OS, calculator is there, means it might be developed using one or other language, na boss. IoT application. Storing, processing, and analyzing big data. Big data means huge data, boss. The data that cannot be processed and stored in a regular database software. The data that cannot be processed and stored in regular database software. That much big data, that much huge data is called big data. IoT applications, Internet of Things applications. IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things application. Okay. IoT, little bit only. Little bit only. Java is not there, this one. Okay. WhatsApp, Insta, all these are web applications. Insta, WhatsApp, all these are web applications, na babu. They fall under web applications. Okay. If they are there in mobile, they are mobile applications. Come on. If you are using through web, they are web applications. What do you say? WhatsApp, mobile application. In that mobile application, messenger application, their category is different. If you are using through browser, websites. If you are using through mobile application. Nowadays, most of the web application, they are also converting as a mobile application. So you can use them in both angles, right? Facebook.com opened in browser, website. Facebook opened through mobile application. Are you getting my point there? Super. So WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, all these play both roles, boss. Yeah, IoT, Internet of Things, Babu. Example, home automation. Home automation. Home automation. Home automation. And you will try to control your home through automation activities or not? Okay. Yes, boss. Automation. Home automation. You are able to control through Alexa. You want to see practically? You want to see that one practically? My home is having automation. CRT means campus recruitment training. Okay, you want to feel it? I think in the background, are you able to see? In the background, are you able to see Buddha statue? Now, Buddha statue is there. In that one, water is flowing. Actually, fountain is there. Fountain is on or not on, right? Okay, listen my voice command. Alexa, activate balcony bar.
Okay.
Are you able to see it? I have not switched on manually. It's purely through voice command. Purely three. You want to stop it? Alexa, activate sleep balcony. It will switch off everything. It will switch off everything. I hope you understood, guys. Yeah, that is IoT, Rama. Super boss. Alexa can cook the food, huh? No, Alexa cannot cook the food.
From fandom.com, you can cook food with an oven, frying pan, fryer,
Okay,
microwave,
no.
pot or grill.
You want to see one more example of it?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, can you play latest Hindi songs?
The playlist. So,
Are you able to see music? Are you able to listen the music? Any voice is coming? Any voice is coming? Now? Not coming up, maybe. This receiver is not able to receive that. Maybe this receiver is not able to receive this. I think now check once. Now check once. Little bit is coming. Actually, music is going on. Right. Okay, thank you. Alexa, stop. Right, boss. In these many domains, Java is under utilization, right? And Java is having how much history, guys? 30 years history. 1995 it is released. Now it is 2023, almost 28 years, right? So many projects already there in Java. If you name any 5 things in technology, any 5 latest things or anything in 5 things, at least 3 things will be there in Java. At least 3 things will be there in Java. That is the power. And moreover, lot of projects are underutilization. They need maintenance, right? And these projects will continue another 25-30 years. That means maintenance should be continued, na? GPay, PhonePay, banking applications, credit card, debit card application, all these are there in Java. Do you think they will die tomorrow? Or all of a sudden they will move to Python? And when business is happening smoothly, why they will move to other one? And moreover, you know that Python is less secure because it is not a programming language. It is a scripting language. It runs on the top of other languages, right? That's why it is less secured. Java is very much secured. If someone says Java will die in another 2 years, 3 years, tell them, my father also said the same thing. But still, he is working on Java. My kid also may say the same thing, but that fellow also will work on the Java. Your Python came in the middle and it will go in the middle. If it is there also, no problem. Because our Java working domains are different from Python working domains. Are you listening my statement? Python is utter flop in standalone application. Python is not so popular in web application development. Python is not there in mobile application. No one thinks about touching Python in distributed application. Python is good in IoT and also sharing market with data science application. Also sharing market in data science application. Now tell me, who is stronger? Who is all-rounder? So, some newly came na boss. Some hype is there. Some hype is there. That's it. Some hype is there. Are you getting my point? So don't think much about the hype. It's something like this, Rababu. It's something like this. Okay. When new hero enters to Bollywood, for 1-2 years, people will talk about, hey, he is going to beat everyone. He is going to be number one. All people will die. Anything happened to Salman Khan? Anything happened to Amir Khan? Anything happened to Akshay Kumar? Bop is bop, right? Pop bop hota hai. Bachche bachche hota hai, right, boss? Yeah. For JDBC, you need not to pay separate payment, boss. In 3,500 only JDBC will come. Okay. Yeah. Python working domain. Oh, working domains are platforms. Python working domains are platforms. Yeah. Python working domains are platforms, guys. One is what? Data science. Data science. Next. Data science. IoT. Internet of Things. Internet of Things. Jishan Khan, just now I said, compared to Java developer, full stack developer will get 30% to 50% extra salary. 30% to 50% extra salary. Okay, now all your doubts are clear now, boss. Okay, now I will take your personal queries, guys. Every query will be answered. Don't repeat your query. Just type once, one by one, I will answer. One by one, I will answer. Okay, Vaibhav, IT background almost completing 4 to 4 years domain, 2020 passed out. How many years experience I can take? You can happily show 2 years gap as experience. Vaibhav. Next, Amit, I have so many doubts, but you cleared everything. Thank you. Thank you, Amit, for recognizing my work. Ragesh Polukonda. I want to learn Spring along with Advanced Java. Can you please suggest after completing which concepts Advanced Java I can start Spring? Once you got basic knowledge of JDBC and Servlet, you can start learning Spring parallelly. Okay. If you have a time constraint, both can be started parallelly on the same day. Hibernate is different, Angular is different. Pradeep Kumar. Tushar, prerequisite for Advanced Java. I think few minutes back I said, okay, Core Java OOPS is the prerequisite. How many days this course are? Gopal, this course is for 100+ sessions. Do you get recorded videos? Only initial demo classes will be given as recorded videos. Later, you have to attend live classes. Can you give info on people who give fake certificate? Okay, you mail me, I will provide the details. And my mail, you want my details? 1 minute. I'll share my details with you. I'll share my details with you people. Yeah. These are my details, guys. For Servlet 50 sessions, for JSP 25 sessions. And these are the meeting ID for evening Spring class, boss. This is the meeting ID for evening Spring class. Every question will be answered, please. Spring or Spring Boot is required. You have to learn both, guys. To learn Spring Boot, Spring knowledge is required. Okay. Yeah. We are child, learn Advanced Java from you. My question is, when you are child, also learn Advanced Java from your teacher. As I am from Himachal Pradesh and it is non-agri, that's why I asked. In my life, I learned only one course, that is C language. Remaining everything I learned as per the demand. As per the demand. Okay. In morning, I tried joining Spring class, but not able to join. Okay. Why pay extra for full stack Java? That you talk with admin. That you talk with admin. Okay. Batch is offline or online? This is completely online batch. I have cleared all my queries. Thank you. That's good. Spring and Spring Boot differences, sir. Spring and Spring Boot differences. Spring Boot is extension of Spring. Okay, Spring. If you feel Spring is a semi-automated washing machine, Spring Boot is like a fully automated washing machine. Fully automated washing machine. 2022 recently passed out from MCA. How many months I will be treated as a fresher? Till 2023 June, July, you will be treated as a fresher. Okay. What do you do if there is a gap between education? You will get big problems as a fresher, boss, but you can try with experience. When your new Spring batch is starting, today evening 7:30 p.m. Spring batch is starting. Okay. Okay, you can, this is the meeting ID. You can come and attend those sessions. Okay, boss. Next. What about new batch of 6 p.m. starting, sir? Advanced Java viewers. It takes time, boss. When started, I will let you know. Any offline batch is going to start. Right now, room availability problem is there. Once resolved, I will take both offline and online classes. Is this full tag for student? Officially, it is not, but by taking permission from office or by paying extra fee, you can come for these sessions. Can you give Spring Basics videos? Harkrishna Reddy, admin will give once you attend Spring Boot classes. Is full stack Advanced Java is different from this batch? Yes. In full stack, what Advanced Java you learn is going to be just Advanced Java because it is one of the 6 domain courses, right? But it is a dedicated, in-detailed Advanced Java where everything will be discussed, project orientation, real-time cases, in-detailed, in-depth discussions will be taking place. It is totally different Advanced Java from what you learn in full stack. That's why it needs separate permission or separate payment. Saturday notes for NTAJ 916 is not uploaded. I'll upload today. Only Servlet JSP. this advanced Java course is mainly to develop websites, guys, by using Java technologies. So JDBC, Servlet, JSP, mini projects. These are the main topics. And a lot of miscellaneous topics are there like JSTL, EL, Java Beans, layered applications. So many miscellaneous stuff, but main topics are these three things. When your spring batch starts, sir, please say. Evening 7:30 p.m. batch is there. How to learn Spring? 7:30 p.m. is Spring Boot batch. If you come there when you join Spring Boot, if you request the admin, he will give videos of Spring Basics. You can watch Spring Basics videos and you can attend Spring Boot classes parallelly. Can I learn Spring or Spring Boot without any prerequisite? Core Java OOPS is required to attend Spring or Spring Boot. Hibernate batch we are planning. Once planned, I will let you know. Spring Boot prerequisite. Spring Basics is the prerequisite. Can I attend Advanced Java after completion of Core Java 50%? Once you know Core Java, oops, you can attend Advanced Java. 9 AM JDBC completed. Can I join in Spring batch? Yes. Sir, is it evening batch or morning batch? 7:30 p.m. evening batch. 9 AM is the morning batch. I have Core Java. Can I join in Spring class? Yes. I am working, but there I worked another technology. Can I show I am working in Java in other company? Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can do that. Can I learn JDBC later? Santosh, you have to learn parallelly because in the middle of the servlet, we use JDBC. Saturday class not uploaded, I'll upload it. For HTML, JavaScript, CSS, you need not to pay extra fee. You show Advanced Java receipt, they will allow for HTML, JavaScript. Okay. What batches you are taking? Advanced Java. 9 AM, 4 PM. As of now, Advanced Java is happening. 7:30 PM Spring Boot or Spring will be started. Spring Boot will be started, but Spring Basics videos will be given. Spring Basics videos will be given. I have a big gap. How to overcome? By showing relevant years of experience. 10 years gap, 4 years you show as IT experience. 6 years you show as a non-IT experience. Vinod Singh, every course of mine is live. Every course of mine is live. As how I am conducting this class, similarly, I will conduct that class also. When offline batches starts, very soon, I am also eagerly waiting to start offline batches. Some room availability issues are there. That's why I'm taking online batches. Okay, guys. Yeah, I will provide Spring Basics recorded videos to attend course from Spring Boot. My contact number is not there, but I shared my email ID. I shared my email ID, my Facebook group details, and number of details with you people. You can collect from there. Yeah, don't. What about HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Whenever that course starts, you can go and join. No problem. I don't know Spring Basics. Can you attend Spring Boot classes? Yes, you can attend, but you have to watch Spring Basics videos parallelly. 4 PM Advanced Java link. That is in the middle of the servlet. I cannot give now. Are there any JDBC batches will start in this week? Please let me know. In 1-2 weeks will start. Once start, I will let you know. I have 3 years gap in education. 29 passed out. How much experience you can keep? 2019 passed out. You can happily keep 3 years gap as experience. Sir, you take classes for Java project when it will start. We are planning, boss, maybe within 1.5 months it will start. Can I get job without any degree? Very rare chances are there. Graduation is minimum. But now JDBC batches are not there. We are planning to start, guys, 5:30, 5:45 slot is going to be free. There I may start. Saurabh Gupta, graduation does not matter, but graduation important. BA, BCom, BSc does not matter. Graduation is required. Will you teach JDBC in this batch? You need JDBC 9 AM. Maybe after mini projects, again, I will start new Advanced Java batch. There you have to take JDBC. But my suggestion is better to start. JDBC within 2-3 weeks in evening slots. How many years for fresher? 1 year you will be treated as a fresher. Full stack Java student can attend this Advanced Java course. You can attend either with extra permission or extra payment, you can attend. Okay, I have big gap by showing it as experience. By showing it as experience, you can cover it. I have basic OOPS knowledge. My core Java is going on. I am able to attend advanced Java. Tushar, if you know what is class object inheritance polymorphism, you can attend this one. Suhad Nikad, I will check the mail after the class. How many classes are there in SERVLET? 50. Will you take advanced Java offline? Yes. Full stack student also can join this course. You can join, permission or payment is required. How many Spring Basics recorded videos are there? Nearly 30 plus videos are there. It is regarding PostgreSQL JDBC application. Tell me the problem. Tell me the problem. Can we know exact when 6 p.m. batch will start? Mostly within 1-2 weeks. I'm completed BE Mechanical 2020. How many years of experience you can show? 2 years experience you can show. Sir, as said, your course HTML JavaScript will be covered. Yes, but in a regular batch, HTML JavaScript will not be there. In a separate batch, HTML JavaScript will be there. How much time you will take? 100 plus sessions are required. 100 plus sessions are required. From when you will upload notes in the Google Classroom. Once demos are over, I will start uploading in the Google Classroom. Till that time, I will keep in the Facebook group. I'm waiting for your reply. Okay. You teach Spring classes or not? I teach Spring only. Spring is my main subject. Spring Boot microservices is my main subject. Without JDBC, can we attend? To attend SERVLET, core Java is the prerequisite, not the JDBC. So from SERVLET also you can understand advanced Java. 2021 passed out. Which one is better, sir? 1 year experience or fresher? For 10 interviews, you try as a fresher. If it is not working out, try to show 1 year gap as experience. 2021 passed out. I am considered as a fresher. 2021, you will not be considered as a fresher. Because till 2022 June, July, you will be treated as a fresher. Mahesh Ram, I completed HTML JavaScript. Shiv Kumar said, certificate is not provided for who join through advanced Java course. Is it true? Anyhow, you are getting advanced Java, na? Fine, Babu. What is need of certificate for HTML JavaScript? Those certificates are waste except using as a trunk cleaners. Don't worry. I did study JDBC in core Java. Can I attend JDBC in these classes? Yes, you can. Okay. How much time you will take complete advanced Java? Okay, 100 plus sessions, 100 plus sessions. Can we know new batch is going to start from 6 p.m. after 2 weeks? Sir, is it mandatory have knowledge of HTML Spring Boot to learn advanced Java? No, you can learn them parallelly. How to show gap as experience? There are consultants, organizations, they will supply the documents, learn the subject in the classroom and show gap as experience. I take full stack Java, but I cannot bear this much courses. So please give me suggestion what I'm as a fresher. Nagarjuna, try as a fresher. If it is not working out, go for experience. How much time required to complete 100 plus sessions? Only SERVLET 50 sessions. If I join this course now, join JDBC. After you start new batch, is it okay? Okay, manageable. If you need to pay extra fee for HTML, JavaScript, not required. Not required. I have completed batch in 2014. After 4 years, did MBA, completed 2020. How much experience I can keep? Academic gaps cannot be shown as experience, boss, but you can show 2 years gap as experience. New batch of 6 p.m. will be offline or online. If room is available, offline come online. Offline come online. Mostly that will be online, offline come online. Okay. Vilas Garpat, you have to take a permission in order to join. 30 plus videos of Spring Basics are my videos, sir. Yes, they are my videos. I have gap in master bachelor degree 1 year. What should I do? You cannot show that one as experience. Ignore it and try as a fresher. Okay. Mr. Mahesh Ram, since you joined in Advanced Java course and you are getting HTML, CSS, JavaScript as a complementary, in your Advanced Java course only HTML is learned. So certificate will be provided for Advanced Java. Here guys, I am from non-IT background. I am from BSc Visual Communication. I am 2020. Can I get RT job? Happily you can get it. As 2021 passed out, which one is better, sir? 1+ experience or fresher? For 10 interviews, you try as a fresher. If it is not working out, go for it. When offline classes will start? Whenever room is available, I don't mind starting offline classes. I don't mind starting offline classes, guys. I learned core Java. After that, directly can I learn advanced Java? Vishnu, core Java, oops, is sufficient to learn advanced Java. Okay. Right. In 30+ videos, Spring basics will be covered, which are required for Spring, which are required to learn Spring Boot, which are required to learn Spring Boot. Akshay, that you talk to admin will tell how much extra payment I should pay. When offline classes will start. Once room is available, once management offers me room. We need to attend JDBC, HTML, CSS in other classes, and rest will be taught in your classes. Yes, boss. When your advanced Java will start for full stack Java. I am not into full stack batches, boss, because I would like to conduct in-depth project-oriented sessions, which is practically not possible in full stack course. That's why I'm taking advanced Java as an exclusive course. Okay. We have to pay fee for separately for JDBC, not required. Can full stack attended Spring and microservice evening batches? Can attend, but again, some permissions are required. Sai, I done my graduation 2020, MCA 2022. Degree took 4 years. 1 year gap is there between degree and MCA. Now I know core Java, HTML replies. I have applied for job. Your profile will be weak as a fresher, Sai. Okay, try. Anyhow, you are 2022 passed out now. 2022 passed out. Okay. 2022 try to passed out. Try to show 1 year experience now, boss. Try to show 1 year experience. Yeah, Tushar, 4 p.m. slot is free, not free, guys. If it is free, I would have taken there. Spring Basics, all videos you provide, sir. Yes, I will provide. What about JDBC, sir? Extra payment for JDBC? No required. Not required. Though you come for JDBC in other slots, same payment. It is included as part of standard payment. I'm from non-IT background, completed B, take 5 years to pass. 2020, eligible as a fresher. Very less companies will like your profile, boss. My suggestion is try to join either job guarantee program or try with experience. I don't take full stack advanced Java. I don't take full stack advanced Java. If you want, talk to admin. If you want, talk to admin. Spring 30 videos, where can I get to start Spring Boot? If you come for evening batch, in the admin will share you. Admin will share you. Thank you much, sir. Really enjoyed your class. Please share your Spring Basic classes so that I can understand Spring Boot at 7:30 p.m. Rajalakshmi madam, please contact admin by attending evening class. Nidhi, I'm your old student, will also get HTML, CSS. Yeah, as for advanced Java, that is always complimentary. Okay. No interviewer asks course certificate. No one will ask course certificate. Only knowledge will be checked. Only knowledge will be checked. Ranjit Kumar, web services, RESTful web services and microservices is part of Spring Boot and microservices. He is part of Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, JDBC videos will not be provided. You have to attend parallel classes. You have to attend parallel classes. If you want to get experience through consultancy, we will have to wait complete advanced Java. Okay, it's better to contact now itself so that they will run some salary, they deposit money into your account, they will try to create some genuine documents. Okay, HTML is required to develop the websites now. So HTML knowledge is required for advanced Java. At least parallel you have to learn. How we will join HTML, CSS, you will teach or how to tell to admin. Nidhi Naik, when batch started, I will give announcement. I will share the link. You can join. No evening batch as of now. It takes time. What is REST API? REST API is there to develop the distributed application. HTML is not a prerequisite, but HTML and advanced Java can be learned parallelly. No evening batch as of now. Only this batch is available. When JDBC will be started? Okay, after 10-15 days in the evening slot. Full stack student, how much money should be paid up? You please contact the admin, admin will tell. Please contact the admin, admin will be tell. I'll be taking Spring classes, guys, Advanced Java, Design Pattern, Hibernate, like these multiple courses I will take. Except Core Java, remaining all classes I will take. When HTML class will start? Once batch is started, I will share link with you. Once batch is started, I will share link with you. Or you go to Naresh IT website. Okay, you can continuously watch when batch will be started. You want to know? Okay, new batches in Hyderabad na? Okay, here you can see that. Here you can see them. Here you can see them. Here you can see them, boss. Here you can see them and you can register and you can join the courses. How many sessions of it? It's a complete course, Rabam. Yeah. I think it will be course of 45 sessions. It will be course of 30 to 45 sessions. Hibernate is part of full stack or extra payment is required for Hibernate. That you please check with your Hibernate full stack admin, boss. You please look at your full stack syllabus once. You please look at full stack syllabus once. Thank you.